Minecraft began as a game, but that video game built on stacking blocks is now helping shape real city streets. Minecraft has become a serious public participation tool in urban planning. The Block by Block Foundation grew out of a 2012 partnership between the game studio Mojang and UN-Habitat, the United Nations Agency for Sustainable Urbanization. Planners survey a real site, rebuild it inside the game, then hand the controls to the residents. The foundation has funded more than 150 projects across over 55 countries. Workshops have reshaped refugee settlements in Kenya, waterfronts in Madagascar, and market squares in Niger. Conventional planning meetings draw a narrow slice of any community, and technical drawings exclude anyone who cannot read them. In Minecraft, residents place blocks, see the result at eye level, and debate it in real time. More than 30,000 people have joined these workshops, including women, older residents, disabled residents, and refugees. Children who take part consistently ask for the same things: trees, shade, water, seating, and safe walking routes. A study led by the Nature Conservancy in the journal Nature Communications measured tree cooling across almost 9,000 urban areas, home to roughly 3.6 billion people. Tree canopy cancels about 48.6% of the urban heat island effect worldwide. Yet those benefits cluster in wealthier neighborhoods, while the districts that suffer the worst heat often carry the thinnest canopy. The limits are real. A model cannot create a budget, and trees cool well only when they receive enough water. Researchers studying Lodz, Poland, found officials collected children's ideas and then failed to act on them. Still, cities hold most of humanity and absorb most of the heat. A shared model gives residents a way to put workable ideas in front of the people who sign the construction contracts. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.